Okay, guys, a lot of you have been expressing your concern for my safety, and I very much appreciate it with my recent wood stove scare and my chimney kind of disintegrating there. And I want to show you guys that I am taking steps to be safer in my home, okay? I just moved back a couple of years ago, so, this took some time to figure out, but I'm finally taking some steps, okay? So I'm going to show you my plan here. So as you guys know, this is the wood stove. The chimney right about here, where you can see all those nice new screws, disintegrated. It completely rotted out and there was no more piping. So what I did, now I've got this wonderful, see that? Big old fire extinguisher there. And I've got these wonderful carbon monoxide detectors, one there, one way up there. And not to mention, we've got smoke detectors all over the house. And over here, if in case, that's all engulfed in flames over there, we've got, another fire extinguisher? Yeah, that's what they're called. I almost called it a fire hydrant. And then I got this thing, which is pretty fucking sweet. This is literally a road flare. It's a road flare. And say you're having a chimney fire, you start the road flare, and you throw it into your fireplace next to the fire, and it's supposed to take all the oxygen out of the pipe and extinguish the fire in your chimney. So this is a pretty good $25 find right there, just in case, a little added comfort. Then we take a quick trip up the stairs where we find yet another fire extinguisher right there. So, as of now, in case of chimney fire and none of that shit downstairs works to extinguish the fire, this is my plan. Right here, we got the chimney pipe, right? Fucker's on fire. I kick it and I fucking yeet that. That's the word these days, right? Yeet. So we yeet that downstairs. It's on fire. I run down there. I grab it. I throw it right out the fucking front door. And I take this like a chimney douche. And I shove it straight up there, and I fucking shh, because there's only like 15 more feet of chimney up there, right? So this is my safety. I can even fucking chimney douche down this way. Shh, fucking fire out. 25 seconds, right? 25 seconds. I'm telling you, I could do this shit like a fucking NASCAR pit crew. So you see, I've got some things to help me now. I'm thinking a little safer. My house is a little bit safer. I thank all of you guys for your concern and your tips, my friends. You guys are awesome. Take care.